Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. I'm still doing my Christmas ideas, y'all. For the let me get my milk in here while I'm talking. That's evaporated milk I just poured in there. But for the Christmas here, and then I'm gonna do some old school fudge. Really ain't old school. This fudge might be the same recipe that you use. One I discovered about 15 years ago, and it's an easy fudge, very simple, and it's so good. So that's what I'm gonna make, y'all. Some old school fudge. It'll go good for your Christmas parties, Christmas dinner, even New Year's. So like I said, I got milk in there. Before I get started, please share, please like, please comment, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. So anyway, let's get started here on this fudge. I got the milk in there, evaporated milk. I got the sugar, granulated sugar. Get this all stirred up in here. And I'm gonna add my butter in here. Get all this. All this needs to come to a boil. And if you ever mess with candy and stuff like that, they need to come up to about 230, 232 degrees. If you got a candy thermometer, most time I play it by ear, but I do have a little thermometer here that I'm going to check it because I'm making this for a few friends and neighbors. I would do a peanut butter fudge, but I got a neighbor with like a nut allergy. One of our kids have a nut allergy, and I don't want to take a chance that the kid get into it, and that'll definitely ruin their Christmas there. So, like I say, we're going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to let this come to a boil. After it come to a boil, I'm stirring my chocolate chips and my marshmallow fluff here that y'all see in the store. And that's all it is. Very simple. I pour it in the pan. I'm going to put parchment paper in it. You can use a sprayed pan, but I got parchment paper where I can just flip it out and cut it. It's so much easier. And that's it. Very simple. You can actually make this with your kids, I guess, if you watch them, because you are using the stove. So anyway, I'm going to come back when this is boiling, and we're going to go to the next step. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. You can see this is boiling. And look, you want this to boil for 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes. Set out my parchment paper here on my thing, on my pan. But get this boil for 5 minutes. We got 2 more minutes here. And we're going to test the temperature. Then we're going to add our chocolate chips to this. Well, maybe this is not a good one to do with your kids, because this stuff gets really hot, and if this stuff get on you, it is not good. I've made candies so many times, different candies and things like that, and this stuff here is deadly. It's not fun if it get on you. And make sure you have a good strong bottom pot when you do this, because you don't want your stuff to scorch. If you let your fudge scorch, you just done ruined it. So it's very important, y'all, that you make sure y'all can see what I'm doing here. Yes, you can. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, and I'm gonna put my thermometer in here and see my reading good here. That thing don't want to act right now. Okay. Okay, put my thermometer in here. Put it on Fahrenheit. When you put your thermometer in there, make sure it's got a little bit more to go. A little bit more to go, y'all. A little bit more. See here. That's it, y'all. That's what we want. Now, I'm going to turn this off. Now, I'm going to add the chocolate chips to this. We're going to stir these in there. Melt them in here. Really slowly. Slowly but surely. Until it's all fully incorporated and smooth. Simple recipe. Can't go wrong when you got butter and sugar and evaporated milk in the recipe. You can't go wrong with that, can you? I don't think so. Alright, get that all mixed in there good together till it's nice and smooth here. What I like to do, I like to get my whip here and really make sure it's really smooth, y'all. Really fully incorporated. Oh yeah. Okay. Now last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our marshmallows. Call it marshmallow fluff. That's what I call it. I don't know what y'all would call it. But we're gonna add this in here. The whole container of marshmallow fluff in here. Alrighty. Get that all mixed in there good. Yes, sir. Get it all mixed in there smoothly there. That's what's gonna be fudge. You're gonna see the fudge come alive, y'all. Remember, I got the fire off now. I'm just letting the heat do its thing. Letting the heat do its thing now. It's slowly gonna melt. Let me get my whisk here. This will definitely make it go a little bit quicker. Get my whisk and kind of mash it up there. Mix it up. Make sure you get it all off the sides there. Make sure it's all smooth. See that coming together? Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty, look at that. Now, make sure it's all smooth, y'all. That's the key. All smooth together. Now, what I'm gonna do, I got my dish here. Make sure y'all can see this. Okay, I'm gonna pour it into my baking dish here. Not baking, well, it is a baking dish, but we're not gonna bake this at all, y'all. I'm gonna just pour it right in here. Right on my parchment paper, y'all. Just like that. Alrighty. Make sure you get it all out. All out of there. No, y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna move here in just a second. Once I get it all in here. Okay. And just smooth it out. Another thing now, you're just gonna wait till it get room temperature and wait till it's set up. And you're gonna have some awesome fudge. So we'll be back here. I'm gonna let it set up a couple of hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and we'll come back, flip it out, and cut it, and we'll have some old school fudge. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. And the fudge is ready. So this is why I use the parchment paper. So all I have to do is take it out here, lift it out, and you got the fudge right here. It's so much easier. So let's cut a little piece of this out and see what we got here. Cut a little corner piece there. Oh yeah, I know this stuff is good, y'all. Look at that. Wow. Tastes just like the holidays, y'all. Even New Year's. And y'all see how easy it was to do. I literally could eat this. I don't eat a lot of chocolate, y'all know. But I think that the chocolate is balanced off so well with all that butter and sugar, evaporated milk. It really doesn't taste chocolatey. And with fudge, you can be so creative with it, as you know. You can put peanut butter in it. You can put nuts in it, almonds, pecan. You can put coconut in it. You can do all kind of creativity with it. But anyway, this is another Christmas and New Year's idea. So anyway, to close this video on, like I close every video, please follow my other, this stuff is so good. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see y'all next video. Bye.